Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the mouse has charge and the laptop Bluetooth is enabled or the USB receiver is free. Once done, flip the mouse power on and place it within 3/6 ft of the laptop, proximity speeds discovery. Next, open Windows Settings right arrow Bluetooth and devices so you can add a device. Make sure airplane mode is off and any other Bluetooth devices are temporarily disconnected to avoid pairing conflicts during the first connection. You press and hold the mouse pairing button until the LED flashes, which signals discoverable mode. Then select the Surface mouse name in Windows Bluetooth list and confirm pairing. Windows may display a PIN, accept or enter it if prompted. Once paired, make sure drivers install automatically. If not, open Device Manager and update the Bluetooth and human interface device drivers manually. Also consider installing the Microsoft Mouse app to access firmware updates. You finish by testing every function. Move the cursor, click both buttons, scroll, and try any extra buttons. Then tweak pointer speed and scrolling in settings right arrow mouse to match your workflow, and use the Microsoft app to adjust button mapping or DPI. If the mouse disconnects or behaves oddly, restart Bluetooth on the laptop, remove and repair the device, replace batteries or recharge, and check for a firmware update. This single troubleshooting step resolves most persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.